Hey, sexy people, just a quick update on what I'm doing with MicroStrategy today. It's a Tuesday, and in my plan, I have the notation that I buy things back when I make a bunch of money on them. I'm up about 90% on this call that I sold last week. And so I'm going to go ahead and take the profit off the table. I haven't decided what exactly I'm going to do after that, but at least I know I'm going to take my chance to take the profit off the table in case the stock goes way up. Now, let's take a look at what's going on here. So MicroStrategy, you can see today, is about flat. It was down a bit a little earlier. It was up a bit. It's typical MicroStrategy, right? But it's right around 366, which if you look at it is way below my 420s, okay? So I sold the 420s at 37, meaning at 420, I wasn't starting to lose money, quote unquote, in the short term until about 387. Okay, well, it's about 20 points below that. Okay, so the account is down that 20 points because I don't have any more protection underneath that, any more cushion. But that's okay. I'm not in this for this week. That's the big misunderstanding for a lot of people that are commenting. It's like, well, you're going to lose money this week. Yeah, but that's okay. I've got 7 months left on these 250s that expire in June. And all I'm doing is every week, like last week I sold for 37, and I'm going to buy it back right now for about 340, 350. That's a 90% gain. In other words, I would make about, I don't know, 23,000. I think my plan was to make maybe 24 or 25. I don't remember the numbers anymore. But anytime I get a chance to lop off $23,000, I'm going to do it, especially because this. What are the chances that this stock goes from 366 to 420? Well, it could happen, and it might happen. It's MicroStrategy, right? But all I stand to gain is this $3, right? So if I only stand to gain $340 per contract, then why would I want to take the chance that all of a sudden there's a big announcement and MicroStrategy runs up, or Bitcoin overnight goes to 104,000 and MicroStrategy runs up? I'm not going to be able to make that much more money on it. I'm only going to make, basically 2,100 bucks. So I'd rather spend the 2,100 bucks to buy out of it, and then I can decide later, and I'll probably either do another video or I'll let you know what I did later. But I'm looking at rolling up to next week's 400s, depending on the juice. But right now, I just know I want to get out of this, and so I'm letting you know I'm getting out of it. Here's the way I do it. I right mouse click. I say create closing order. I buy my 7 MicroStrategy. I'm going to go ahead and buy them back at the market, because I always do market orders for small amounts of contracts, just 7 contracts. It's not going to move that much. And by the way, just look at it. It's the 420s. And so the 420s are trading for, I don't know, 1160 by 1230. So there's 70 cents in there. They usually split the baby in the middle, and then you get the fill on either side. You're not going to get much better of a fill than that when the spread is that big. So you might as well just say, you know what, I'm going to trust the market maker to do the job to give me a decent fill. That's not my point of the video. The point of the video is to get out of this position. So I'm going to confirm and send, and there we are. We're out of the position. So that was a $23,000 profit off the table. Maybe I thought I was going to make 24, 25,000. Oh well, I made 90% of that in 5 days or whatever it was. I'm happy with that. See you on the next video. Hey, it's Mark Yegan. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button right now. It helps get the same kind of material out to other people and helps me grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would like the video, if you think it's cool, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, but tell me why you're giving me a thumbs down so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell, and that way you get the videos as soon as they come out, because I give you timely information a lot of the time, and you want to know what happens before that information gets stale. Thanks for being here.